In this video, I will show you how to change Wi-Fi password on Globe at Home. Make sure your computer, smartphone or tablet is connected to your Globe at Home Wi-Fi network. You must be connected to access the router settings. Open any web browser. In the address bar, type 192.168.254.254. Press enter to open Globe at Home router login page. Enter your router login details. The default credentials are usually username admin, password admin, or password. If you changed the login details before, use your custom username and password. If you are unsure, check the label on the back of your router. After logging in, go to wireless settings. Look at the WP appreciate key or Wi-Fi password field. Delete the existing password and enter a new strong password. A strong password should include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, special characters. Click apply or save to confirm the new password. All devices currently connected will be disconnected. Use your new Wi-Fi password to reconnect all your devices. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Globe at Home Wi-Fi password. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.